Today we're going to be converting fractions to decimals, and I'm going to show you a couple of strategies. We have the fraction 4/5 or 4/5. That can also mean 4 divided by 5, where our vinculum can also mean division. So 1/4 is 1 divided by 4. Now you could simply type that into a calculator, but let's imagine that we don't have a calculator in this instance. A way that we can do it is by doing short division. Now I'm putting a decimal point in and a couple of zeros just in case we need them. How many 5s go into 4? The answer is 0. How many 5s go into 40? 5 8s are 40. So the answer is 0.8. We'll demonstrate again. How many 4s go into 1? The answer is 0. How many 4s go into 10? 4 times 2 is 8, with 2 left over. How many 4s go into 20? The answer is 5. 4 5s are 20. So the answer is 0.25. So we have our first strategy, which is simply typing into a calculator. We have our second strategy, which is short division. And we also have a third strategy. I'm going to show you how to do this manually. We have the fraction 4/5. What we want to do is we want to get that denominator to 100 if we can. How do we get that to 100? 5 times what equals 100? Well, the answer is 20. And what we do to the bottom, we must do to the top. 4 times 20 equals 80. So we have an equivalent fraction here, and we know that 80 over 100 is 0.8. I'll demonstrate again. We have 1/4. Remember, we want to get it to 100. How many 4s in 100? We have 25. What we do to the bottom, we must do to the top. And 25 over 100 is 0.25. Now that strategy will only work if the denominator goes into 100. And we'll look at our third question, 8 2/3. So what we need to do first is we need to convert that to an improper fraction. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 2 is 26. Now I can't get 3 into 100, so I could simply type that into my calculator. Again, imagine that I don't have a calculator. What I would do is short division. How many 3s go into 2? The answer is 0. How many 3s go into 26? 3 times 8 equals 24, with 2 left over. How many 3s go into 20? 3 6s are 18, with 2 left over. And again, I can see a bit of a pattern emerging here. And the answer is 8.6. reoccurring. So those are the 3 different strategies in how to convert fractions to decimals.